For Canadians, real estate isn't just a place to live, it's an identity, it's a retirement plan, and it's a go-to wealth building strategy. But is it really the best place to invest your money? Or is it just what we have been told for decades? Today we are going to compare real estate returns with all their hidden cost against something far less flashy, the S&P 500. And trust me, the numbers might surprise you. So let's go. In Canada, owning a home is almost a rite of passage. Your parents did it, your neighbors flaunt it, and social media reminds you that if you are not in by 30, you are falling behind. But here is the thing. Real estate feels safe because it's physical. You can touch it, you can paint it, you can rent it. But investing isn't just about feelings. It's about returns after tax, inflation, and fees. Let's dig in. According to Financial Post, over the past 20 years, the S&P 500 has returned about almost 10% annualized gains. Canadian housing, around 6.3% annualized. That's already 3.4% on annual gap, and it grows over time. For example, if you invest $100,000, after 20 years, that will be $640,000. In real estate, those $100,000 will be equivalent to $340,000, and that's before the cost. Let's break down the hidden drag on real estate. Maintenance and upkeep almost 1 to 2% of home value per year. Property taxes average 0.7 to 1.5% in Canada. Mortgage interest, especially with today's high rates. Realtor and legal fees on both buying and selling. Liquidity risk, that's the big one. You cannot just sell a room in a downtown if you need it. All of that eats into your return, which again was only 6.3% to begin with, on annualized on average. Now consider the S&P 500. No physical maintenance, tax sheltered accounts like TFSA and RRSP available, dividends reinvested automatically, instant diversification across 500 plus companies, although S&P 500 today is just 10 big companies. More liquidity and less paperwork. This is the most important one. And unlike a rental unit, stocks don't call you at 2 a.m. because the toilet exploded. Here's where real estate defenders push back. You forgot about leverage, man. And it's true, most people buy homes with a mortgage. A 20% down payment on a $500,000 home means you're controlling $500,000 worth of value with just $100,000 of your money. That magnifies returns if price goes up, but it also magnifies losses. And with interest rate high, that leverage gets expensive very fast, especially if you have purchased in the last 2 years. So yes, leverage can boost returns, but it also increases your risk dramatically. Remember the last 2 years. Real estate isn't bad. The S&P isn't perfect, but the key takeaway is this. If you think your home will make you rich without risk, think again. If you ignore equities because they are volatile, you're missing out on real wealth growth. The best investors think long-term, account for net returns, and diversify accordingly, not based on emotion, but math. If this has opened your eyes and you want to learn more, check out the course that I designed on macro fundamentals. We break down wealth, debt, assets, inflation, and what actually builds generational wealth. Link in the description below. And if you want to chat real estate, macro, and smart investing, join our WhatsApp community. We are building conviction, not just portfolios. Because in the end, the best place to park your money is somewhere. I just wanted to let you know that I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the individuals who are looking to discuss their financial planning, their investment strategies, their kids' education planning, their immigration moves, as well as the young professionals, because I have been in the tech industry for almost 20 years. So I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the young professionals who are looking to have their career development discussion with me, and also personal branding as well. So if you are looking to have some sort of an expert opinion, there is a calendar link in the description below. Book a 30 minutes call with me and I will be more than happy to help you out.